Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on the SYNCO G2 A2, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, looks like that. The back of the box looks like that, and oh, there is a little damage right here because of the shipping, but hopefully everything inside is fine. Hopefully. Anyways, now let's get straight right into the unboxing. So now let's unbox the item. So I'm going to open it right here. Wow guys, look at this. Looks like a premium SYNCO case. The material is hard material on the top, and on the back there is a zip right here, SYNCO, and there is also a manual, a user manual for the SYNCO G2 A2, as you can see right here. Hopefully you guys can see this, but let's quickly take a look, just roughly. This is what it looks like. It just shows you how to use the SYNCO G2 A2, and also what's the function of the buttons. Yeah, so let's put this aside. Now let's unbox this, guys. Guys, wow, the zip is so smooth. Moment of truth. Wow guys, so basically there is two transmitter and one receiver, which is the middle one. This is the receiver, both of this is the transmitter. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys the closer look for that, for the transmitter. This is what it looks like, SYNCO G2 transmitter, and this is the back of it. There's a clip for you to clip on your shirt. Just gonna try it out real quick. Oops. For example, you could click it like that, so you could stay in your shirt, or you could use it here. Yeah, you could use it here too. Nope, that's not so suitable. Oh, this is the right spot. You should put it here, and you can start talking, and yeah, this is how it works, I guess. The receiver, it basically looks the same. This is the buttons. I mean, this is the charger, and there is a button right here, and there is a reset button and some other button right here. And it comes with accessories too. Let's quickly unbox this. Let's quickly open the packaging. So it comes with some wires right here. I'm guessing it is a charger. As you can see right here, it comes with a few wires, quite a lot of wires. But yeah, I'm guessing it all of this is for the SYNCO G2 A2. So let's put this aside, and there's actually one more packaging right here. Yeah, one more packaging. Let's open this up. Oh, let me guess, what is this? This is for the SYNCO G2 A2, for you to put this while you're talking, I guess. It's like a microphone camera, something like that. There's actually two of the fluffy things, as you can see right here. And yeah, this is definitely for the microphone. There's a sponge, and it comes with two bags of clips, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's basically it. This is what it looks like, just the SYNCO, and it comes with, let me just show you. It comes with this wire, a few wires, first wire, second wire, and a lot more. I'm just going to show you guys later on. And this is the total bags that they give inside the box. 4 bags and a sponge. So yeah, basically that's it. This is what it basically looks like. I'm just gonna preview all of this later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the short video of the accessory just now, and also now I'm going to turn on the transmitter and also the receiver and do the sound test. So both, all of it is turned on right now, and I'm ready to test it out. Okay, before that I have to read the instruction first and get back to you guys. Okay guys, I've already read the instruction for 2 minutes and I think I know how to use it already. It's really simple. So first of all, on the user manual it says it will pair automatically. So as I see right here, this is the receiver actually, this is the transmitter. It looks exactly the same. From the front it looks exactly the same, except on the top part. This is the transmitter on the left side, this is the receiver on the right side. So now it's already paired, so it's ready to use. So I'm gonna put the receiver aside, and both of this is the transmitter. So I'm gonna try to talk on it, and you could see the things going up right here. Let me just try. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello. Okay, you guys could see the volume pitch keep going up and down as I'm talking. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So yeah, same goes to this receiver. Both of this is the same. So it's basically used for, you could use this as a podcast. Use this for podcast, or you could just use this for outdoors. Yeah, it's a really good microphone and it's super clear, guys. So I'm going to test it out for you guys. I'm gonna let you guys hear the audio. So yeah, let's get started. Before I start, guys, I'm gonna put this soft thing on the mic so that my sound will sound more clearly. Okay, so it's actually really easy to put it in. Just have to clip it like that, and it's in. Really cute. So now I'm gonna test the SYNCO G2 A2 sound quality. So as you can see right now, the screen is off, but even though it's off, the sound is still recording, as you can see right here. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. It is still recording my voice. It is still detecting my voice. I think it does this to save the battery life. But anyways, to turn it on, you just have to click one button right here and it's on again. As you can see right here, you can see the display is turned on. But anyways, I think this is a great device because it auto turns off the device to save battery, and it is still recording. You still can use it while the screen is turned off. So anyways, I'm gonna test the product by reading some words from the user manual. Caring for your SYNCO product. Please keep the product in a dry, clean, dust-free environment. Warranty does not apply to human errors. So yeah, now let's move on to the next test. So now, I've plugged in the external mic, the accessories that is given in the SYNCO box. This is what it looks like. It's plugged in right now to this mic right here, which I'm talking. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. As you can see right here, the SYNCO, as you can see my voice. Hello, 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 testing. 1, 2, 3. It detects my voice really clearly. I can see it clearly, like right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to read something again from the user manual. Package list. Receiver times 1, TX transmitter times 2, carrying back times 1, mic windshield times 2, eject pin times 1. So I've read something from the user manual and I hope you guys can hear that clearly. So now let's move on. Guys, I think this is going to be the ending of the video, but before I end it completely, I would like to show you guys the real quality of the SYNCO G2A2 overall. So for the case, the quality is, you guys can hear this? It's a really hard but soft and light material which you can carry it anywhere in your bag or even your hands. It's really comfortable. And for the zip, it's really cool. It's really smooth. And when you open it, for the transmitter and receiver as well, the material is fully plastic. I guess they make it plastic so that it is lightweight. I won't complain about the plastic because the plastic really makes it extra light so that you can put it anywhere in your body conveniently. For example, here, I just want to put it here, maybe here. I don't feel anything, but the mic is really high quality. Just the material outside is plastic, but the plastic will not affect the quality of the internal parts. So that's what I like about it. And for the cables, it's a really high quality material. I can feel it. It's not like the cheap cable, like the cheapest material of cable, but this is kind of good. You can feel it. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at this, the cable. This is what it looks like. And for the fluffy stuff, it's really fluffy, and to use it, you have to take out a transmitter, and there is a clip right here. You can see a plastic clip. You have to put it exactly here. There is a insert here. Oops. Okay, and it's done. It's that easy. It doesn't require any force, I mean a hard force. And to remove it, you just have to remove it like that. It's really simple. So I guess that's all for this video. That's a complete video so that you guys can decide whether the SYNCO G2A2 is worth it or not for you guys. For me, I personally think that it's a really good and not that high budget. I mean, if you're in a budget, you could get this. It's in between, I would say. It's a high quality microphone, which is in budget. It's not that high. There are some microphone which cost, like, I don't want to say it, but it costs a lot more than this. Anyways, I'm gonna put everything in the link down below. I mean, everything in the description down below, all the links to buy this item, and yeah, everything that you guys need to know will be in the description down below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video if you find this video helpful. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.